Good morning, guys. Yeah, I just got here in Nelson Bay, actually in Salamander Bay, coming from Newcastle. Yeah, I was coming from my 2 days off. I sleep in Newcastle for 3 nights, and yeah, I was just there. I was actually editing video the whole time, and I go out from time to time, but I did not record. I did not vlog myself. Yeah, because the priority is to rest, to have a rest and edit video. And actually, when I was editing my video this morning, yeah, the cable of my MacBook stopped working, and so I went to Apple store and I bought this. This is the cable. Yeah, the cable is the one that's not working because it is already has a yellow on the tip of the cable, so I think it's broken. It's not charging anymore. That's why I bought this. This is $49. Yeah. And now I am going to buy something to eat for the whole week. And last week I failed not to spend money to eat in the restaurant. Yeah, because I don't have power here. And so I went to have these pics with Mr. Steve. And so I also spend money to eat in the restaurant because I cannot cook, I cannot boil water. Yeah, so I failed last week. Today, hopefully, we'll be able to not to eat in fast food, not to eat in restaurant. And again, the food that I'm going to eat, hopefully, will all be just coming from the grocery. And it is now 12:14. And my duty is at 2 o'clock. I'm getting one of this bagel. It's just $2.99. Oh, there is this special fried rice, just $6.99. I'm going to take it. And we are now here near the workplace. I'm just going to use the toilet. This is how the toilet is here. There's 2 cubicles for and there is this for peeing. There's this, and there is a shower. Yeah, most toilet near the beach has a shower. Actually, even outside there is a shower somewhere at the back. It just means that I can shower anywhere. Let me show you how it is first there in the water. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment. Nice. Yeah, there are more people on the other side swimming, and some people having their picnic. Really nice. But yeah, so usually I shower in the workplace, in the locker, and also in the gym. Yeah, that is where I am showering. I actually feel more comfortable to shower in the gym compared to the shower in my apartment. Yeah, in my new apartment. Not clean. 2 weeks ago I cleaned that shower toilet. Yeah, and I also put my my floor mat, that toilet floor mat, I also put it there. Yeah, this morning it was very dirty already. Oh, very hot. And this is actually big serving. I feel like I'm going to finish only just half of it. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I just wake up. Yeah, clean myself and now preparing my coffee. I actually don't want to disclose the exact location where I am sleeping. Yeah, but actually I sleep everywhere. Along the street, in the park, along the beach. Yeah, just everywhere around here. Yesterday I finished my duty already Yeah, 11 o'clock. It's actually Filipino, all Filipino yesterday. Me, Inigo, and Divina. Yeah, because there was no kitchen hand. And so Divina is the one who started doing the dishwashing. And I start doing cleaning the everything, the floor, the table. And it is actually raining now. Yeah, my plan is to jog first, walk around in the area first before starting this video. Yeah, you can hear the noise of the rain. But you know, actually last night I did not have a good sleep. Yeah, because it was hot inside here. I wake up feel like I'm going to sweat. I'm now here in Nelson Bay Foreshore and it is still raining. It is already 12:30 actually. This is how it is. And I'm going to eat now. You know, this container is actually not fit in the fridge, so I'm going to dispose it. I'm going to donate it to charity. It's like that. I'm going to buy another one like this one. This one is from Woolworths. 2 minutes. So I switch off first the monitor to be able to use this. Actually, this microwave is not consuming too much energy. The kettle consumes more because when I'm using the kettle, when I'm boiling the water, the power inverter creates noise. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I slept last night. And at the moment, there are a lot of people who are jogging, walking. Oh, this is actually the cable that I bought for my MacBook Pro. Yeah, this nice cable. If you notice, yeah, it's better than the previous cable. Oh, there is two lorikeet over there. Nice. But they are doing some improvements here. Yeah, we are now here in Albura Marina. I am tempted to buy ice cream this early. It's already 9 o'clock actually, but no, I have not any breakfast yet, not even a coffee or bread. Oh, I had the carrots. I ate one piece of carrot. Actually, the ice cream shop is closed, but the next restaurant is busy. Oh look, there's those two kids, they are biking downhill. Yeah, this kid is brave enough to do this. Amazing. Yeah, the parents, they are also doing that. Nice.
Entering time-lapse mode.
And this is where I'm going to stay while editing video and waiting for my time to go to work. The time now is 9:38. Lots of cars over there, so for sure a lot of people walking along the shore. And there's a father and son in here, they are fishing. Actually more fishing rod I can see on that side. Maybe that is also property of this father and son. Yeah, collapsible kettle. I bought it in Aldi actually. That noise. So I have been doing this van life for 3 weeks now, and yeah, I actually don't miss my granny flat, my previous apartment. Oh, something new has happened. I hear a sound, beep beep beep. Oh, sorry. So I got curious and I come here. Yeah, and I found this key here. I forgot to remove. And then I tried to start the car, but it won't start. Let's start it now again. This is going to be the third time that I'm going to start it. Yeah, it won't start. Yeah, there is just that. It says here 12-volt battery charged very low. The infotainment system will be switched off. Yeah. Probably the reason is yeah, first thing I forgot this inside here, and then the door was open also. And another thing is I was using my computer and my laptop and the monitor, but I think I just need to wait so that my battery in here, my auxiliary battery, will charge the car battery. I think that is how it works. I'll continue editing a video and we'll go back there after 10-30 minutes. It is now 11:09. I am going to try to start the engine again. And actually this one has become very tight to push. I am now worrying a little bit. I actually did not try, but I checked instead my plan. I mean, I have a Platinum Plus roadside assistance with the Volkswagen, so I'm going to call. It says here, if your 12-volt starter battery is flat, we will come out and jump start your vehicle. Okay, I'm going to call. Hi, good morning. Yeah, so basically my Volkswagen Transporter has a low battery. It says on the screen it won't start. Okay, but this, okay, yeah, this battery is also connected with the auxiliary battery. Because also another thing is I have work at 2 o'clock, so I need to be ready by 1:30 if it's. I asked the guy if I should start again. Yeah, he said don't try. I'm also scared to start it again because it may be going to damage the starter, you know. Yeah, that's why I will be just keep on waiting. You know, it's already 1 o'clock, 1:03 to be exact. And yeah, the guy is still not here. And I'm a little bit worried because my duty is at 2 o'clock. I am thinking of trying to restart it again, but I don't know, should I restart it or should I just call to my workplace and to say that I am going to be late? Actually, I'm going to restart it. If it restarts, it will be good. Okay, I'm trying to restart it. Oh, it starts. Amazing, it starts actually. So I'm going to call the guy. Let's see what is his reaction. Hi, good afternoon. You're here already? Okay. I tried to restart and it starts actually. Okay, so you're good. Yeah. Is my auxiliary battery helps to? Yeah. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that guy just left. His van is really designed for battery things. Okay, I'm going to work now. I explained to him that I forgot the key here, and I also asked him if my auxiliary battery helps the main battery to gain its power again. I need to confirm that. Yeah, I don't know if it really does. I actually did not pay anything. I just signed something on his device. Yeah, I think that is because part of the insurance of my, because this car has a mechanical something plan, for 5 years. And so, and roadside assist, something like that, is covered.